Hello, grade 11 students. Welcome to General Mathematics as subject. So, at this time, we will be talking about evaluation of functions, or in this module, evaluates a function. So, what do you mean by evaluates a function or evaluation of function? To evaluate a function is simply to substitute or replace a certain variable with a given number or expression and then solve for the result. For example, dito example number 1, evaluate the given function at x equals 2 using the following functions. So let's take example number 1, f of x equals 5x plus 8. Kung meron kang nakikita dito na x equals 2, so meaning papalitan mo lang yung mga x dyan ng 2. Yun ang ibig sabihin ng evaluation of function or substitution or substitute or replace a certain variable. So yun ang ibig sabihin nun. So kung ang value ng x is 2, palitan mo lang ng 2 lahat na nakikita mong x dyan. So ito, f of x equals 5x plus 8, palitan natin ng 2 yung mga x, f of 2 equals 5 times 2 plus 8, which is the same as 5 times 2 is 10 plus 8, the answer is 18. So ganun lang kadali. So dito naman sa pangalawa, g of x equals x squared plus 3x minus 4, palitan natin ng 2 yung mga x na magiging g of 2 equals 2 squared plus 3 times 2 minus 4, which is the same as 4. 2 squared is 4 plus 3 times 2 is 6 minus 4, which is the same as 6. So dito sa pangatlo, ganun din. H of x equals absolute value of x plus 3 minus 2. Palitan natin ng 2 yung mga x. H of 2 equals absolute value of 2 plus 3 minus 2. Absolute value of 2 plus 3 is 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. Dito sa pang-apat, t of x equals x cubed minus 5x squared. So, palitan din natin ng 2 yung mga x. Magiging t of 2 equals 2 cubed minus 5 times 2 squared, which is the same as 2 cubed is 8 minus 5 times 2 squared is 5 times 4, which is negative 20. So, 8 minus 20 is negative 12. Dito naman sa panglima, p of x equals x plus 5, wherein x is the smallest integer greater than or equal to x. So same thing, palitan natin ng 2 yung mga x. So p of x equals 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 is the same as 7. So ganun lang siya kadali. Now dito, gagawin nyo tong exercises number 1 to 9. I will take this exercises number 10 as an example kasi baka mamaya hindi nyo alam kung paano gagawin, because this is an example of a piecewise function. Dito, mapapansin nyo ang value ng x is 3.5. So meaning, palitan nyo lang ng 3.5 yung mga x dyan sa mga functions na yan. So dito sa number 10, f of x equals 5x if x is less than 2, x squared minus 1 if x is greater than or equal to 2 but less than 5, and then x cubed plus 2 if x is greater than or equal to 5. Now, since x is 3.2, saan ba pasok si 3.2? Kung mapapansin nyo dito sa criterion dito, x is greater than 2, x is greater than or equal to 2 but less than 5. So meaning, 3.2 ay nasa gitna ng 2 and 5. Hindi naman pwedeng yung 3.2 ay mas maliit sa 2. X yun. And at the same time, hindi naman pwedeng yung 3.2 ay mas malaki sa 5. So hindi rin pwede yun. So si 3.2 ay nasa pagitan ng 2 and 5. So meaning, ang kukunin natin na function is x squared minus 1. So, yung 3.2, papalit natin dito sa mga x dyan. So magiging 3.5. So 3.5 squared minus 1. 3.5 squared is 12.25 minus 1 is the same as 11.25. So yan yung value ng exercises number 1 for number 10. So the rest, gagawin nyo yan hanggang dito sa exercise number 2 hanggang dito sa 10. And for dito naman sa exercise number 3, for number 1, I will take this as an example, and then number 2, 3, 4, and 5, yan naman ang inyong gagawin. So dito sa example na yan, basahin lang natin. An internet cafe charges 25 pesos per hour, or a fraction of an hour, for the first 4 hours and an extra of 15 pesos per hour for each next hour. What's the amount paid for the following time? Letter A, 2 hours. Letter B, 3.5 hours. C, 6 hours. And yung last is 7.2 hours. So ibig sabihin nito, Tagalogin lang natin. Ang sabi niya, doon daw sa isang internet shop, 25 pesos ang bawat oras sa unang 4 na oras. Okay? Unang 4 na oras. First 4 hours. And the rest of that, pag lumampas ka sa 4 na oras, meron kang extra na 15 pesos sa bawat oras na gugugulin mo. Pag natapos mo yung 4 na oras. So, halimbawa, 6 hours. Okay, dito sa 6 hours. Halimbawa, 6 hours. Yung 4 na oras mo, 25 pesos ang bawat oras doon. So, yung 2 oras na natitira, mag-a-add ka ng 15 pesos. So, ang una natin gagawin dito, gagawa muna tayo ng function. Okay, kung mapapansin nyo, meron tayong 2 criteria. First 4 hours, and then greater than 4 hours. Or yung ibig sabihin, 5 hours hanggang sa 5 hours to infinity. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 hanggang sa matapos ka. Okay? So, gawa tayo ng function. Dito, papansinin nyo dyan. Let's take this one, x as the number of hours. F of x equals, una, 25 pesos per hour. Okay? So, if I have xr, meaning I have 25x. So, ang criterion dyan for the first 4 hour, so 0, less than or equal to x, and x is less than or equal to 4. So, yan yung unang criteria. Ngayon, yung susunod, extra of 15 pesos per hour for each next hour. So, ibig sabihin, since yung unang 4 na oras mo is 25 pesos sa bawat oras nun, so kung mas lumampas ka sa 4 na oras, meaning to say, yung first 4 hours doon is 100. Bakit? Kasi 25 ang bawat oras. So, i-assume mo na lang na natapos mo yung 4 na oras kasi nga lalampas ka doon. So, yung 4 na oras, mag-multiply ka ng 25. So, magiging 100. Plus, ibig sabihin, yung extra 15 pesos, 15 pesos ang dadagdag mo sa bawat oras na lalampas ka sa 4 na oras. So, 15, multiply mo ngayon dito sa x minus 4. Bakit? Kasi dapat tanggalin mo yung 4 na oras doon kasi nga i-multiply mo na siya dito sa 25 kanina. Okay, so ang criterion dyan is 4x greater than 4. Okay? So ito yung gagamitin natin na function to solve for the following time. Letter A. 2 hours. So 2 hours. If x is equal to 2, saan dyan ang gagamitin mo? Since 2 is nasa pagitan ng 0 and 4, so meaning ito ang gagamitin natin. F of x equals 25x. But since x is 2, so 25 times 2, the answer is 50. Okay? 50. For letter B, 3.5 hours. So, saan naman si 3.5 hours? 3.5 hours, pag ni-round up mo yan, pareho lang siya sa 4 hours. So, since ang 4 hours ay kabilang siya dito sa unang function, so, again, ang gagamitin natin na function is f of x equals 25x. Since x is 4 hours, 25 times 4, the answer is 100. Okay, 100 pesos. For letter C, balikan natin na si letter C. Letter C is 6 hours. 6 hours. 6 hours. Okay, since 6 hours yan, anong gagamitin natin na function? Ang sabi dito, x is greater than 4. So, lahat, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, blah, blah, blah. So, ang gagamitin natin ay yung function na yan. So, f of x equals 100 plus 15 times x minus 4. Since the value of x is 6 hours, so this is 100 plus 15 times 6 minus 4. The answer is 100 plus 15 times 6 minus 4 is 2, which is the same as 100 plus 30, the same as 130 pesos. Okay? And then for last, 7.2. Letter D, 7.2 hours. 7.2 hours, the same thing, mas malaki sa 4. So, ang gagamitin natin is f of x equals 100 plus 15 times x minus 4. So, palitan natin ng 7.2 yung mga x. 100 plus 15 times 7.2 minus 4. Okay? So, this is the same as 100 plus 15 times 7.2 minus 4 is the same as 3.2. Okay? This is the same as 100 plus 15 times 3.2 plus 100 is diretso na lang natin. 100 plus 15 times 3.2 is 148.